Thank you for choosing to spend some time with us here on this space, in this realm. We're going to be covering basic financial concepts that every individual need to know in order to make the most of their money. If you want to know how to make the most of their money, then you are in the right space. Let us get on the inside. Today we're going to be discovering how income expenses can affect your financial bottom line. We're going to be discussing assets and liability and how this can affect your net worth and even some aspects of inflation. These are some of the basic financial concepts that you need to know to protect yourself. This discussion is intended for everyone who wants to improve their financial literacy and understand what it means to be financially successful. Yes, understanding basic financial concepts is an important fundamental foundation of financial literacy. It's important to understand these basic concepts so that you can make informed decisions about your financial well-being. Let us get into our top two terminologies that everyone needs to know and understand thoroughly. And they are income and expenses. Income, basically, income is money that you earn from employment, investment, or other sources. You can also be gifted income. The expense is the incurred money that needs to be paid out to suffice for daily living, such as in goods and services. It seems simple, but a lot of persons do not understand the gravity of income and expenditure. So, how can you make income? Let us go them over. Number one, employment. This is the most common way to make income, which is through employment. Someone employs you, or you go out, you find a job, then you pay your taxes and you're a salary worker or hourly worker. That there is employment. You may have your W-2 and the taxes are deducted before you get your cut of the compensation. So that there is one way. Then we have the self-employed route. So someone who decides that they want to start their own business, their own endeavor, would decide to make an income by themselves, either as a sole proprietor or as a small business. But the truth be told, this type of income is heavily taxed. So you're going to try to move out of the self-employment category into a business category so you can actually secure and safeguard against taxation, tax eating out your capital. The third way you can make income is by renting properties. Yes, if you own property, you can make an income by renting it out to someone else who needs to stay. And in some instances, you can even do rental service. You can rent, you can lease. It all depends on what is needed in your era. Then you can sell products or services. So if you have an idea, you have gone to school, you have done chemical engineering, and you have formulated a product, you can sell that product, and that product can generate an income. If you went to a trade school and you become a barber, a carpenter, whatever it is, you can offer those services and that will generate an income. Now we have investment, number five. So if you have an investment account, a brokerage account, and you are trading in that account, then that there, when you sell, is considered an income outside of the principal which was already placed in that account. Then we have renting out our personal possession. Yes, we can rent out our personal possession. You buy that clothing, you buy that car, you buy that item that you desire to wear. However, you don't want to wear it all the time. Someone else wants to wear it more than you, so you allow someone else to enjoy that which you have purchased. You can also make money by freelancing. Yes, freelancing makes an income by providing services to clients as is needed. And you can make money by selling handbags, homemade stuff, digital art. So digital revolution is taking over the world right now. So you need to be in a digital space. Number 9, you can participate in paid survey or focus group. This will allow you to generate some income. Then number 10, teaching or tutoring. You can make money by sharing the knowledge that you have with others as they participate in a class setting. Not necessarily a face-to-face class, but more so an online experience where you can reach one to many. Then we have passive income streams, which are income that you earn with minimal effort, such through rental properties or dividend investment. However, passive income is not as passive as it is made out to be. It takes work in order to generate a reasonable amount of income through alleged passive methodologies. Then we have selling goods or services. So if you have something that is interesting to someone else, you can sell it. You have your used items that others want, then you can sell it for their artwork or for whatever it is that they desire to do with it. And royalties, you can make income from royalties. Royalties are income that you generate based on your intellectual property, such as sales from an ebook. So when I wrote the book, Single One, that there generates royalty. So when persons purchase this book, then sales royalty are sent to me. So I am making a commission from the book which has been published. So that there is royalty. Then we have the Social Security, which is a government program that provides income to retired workers or their survivors. And what most persons try to get at the end of their working life is pension. Number 15, a pension is a retirement saving plan that is offered by an employer and provides income to the worker when they retire. But sometimes the pension is not adequate. But this here is also a form of income. Then we have those who engage in part-time or seasonal temporary work. This could include work such as in the farming industry or in the summer work program, whatever it is. And when we place our money in the bank or in any investment vehicle, the interest that we earn on that money is also considered income. And I should let you know that all this income that is generated is taxable. However, if you use the appropriate framework in setting up a business, then you can avoid taxation from majority of these income generating endeavors. However, when you are a W-2 employee, first you have to make the money. After you have generated the money, you have to pay your taxes. Then you will get whatever is left after the taxes are paid. But when you're a business, you get to make the money, you get to spend the money, and then whatever is left, you pay in taxes. So if you look at the shift in when you actually pay taxes, it gives you an idea as to the power of a business. So now those are some ideas of the different types of income generating